You saved up, you researched, you finally bought your first Superbike, and then 3 months later, you sold it at a loss. Not because you wanted to, because you had no choice. This happens to thousands of first-time Superbike buyers every single year, and nobody warned them. Today, I am going to warn you. The first thing nobody tells you happens before you even start the engine. The moment that Superbike leaves the showroom floor, it loses between 15 and 20% of its value immediately. Before you hit the first traffic light, before you take your first corner, you just lost thousands of dollars in the time it took you to ride to the end of the block. But depreciation is not even close to the biggest hit. Keep watching. Let's talk insurance, because this is where most first-time buyers get their first real shock. Your annual premium as a new rider on a Superbike can run anywhere from $2,000 to $6,000 per year, depending on your state, your age, and your record. Some riders pay more, and if you have one claim, one single incident, that number can double overnight. Your budget had the bike payment. Did it have the insurance payment on top of that? Every single month. Now let's talk tires. And I need you to pay attention here because dealerships will never bring this up. A set of performance tires on a Superbike lasts between 3,000 and 6,000 miles. That is it. A quality set costs $400 to $600 installed. If you ride 10,000 miles in a year, you are buying tires twice, minimum. And that is if you are not pushing hard. Push hard, and you will see the rear go in 2,000 miles. But tires are not even the most expensive recurring cost. Keep watching. Service costs. This is where the real money disappears, and nobody talks about it. Most Superbikes require a major service every 6,000 to 12,000 miles. Valve clearance checks, brake fluid flush, coolant change, air filter, spark plugs, chain and sprockets. At a dealer, that bill runs $800 to $1,500 every single time. And certain bikes, certain Ducatis specifically, require valve checks every 7,500 miles. Miss one service and your warranty disappears. Miss two and you are looking at engine damage. The bike that cost you $15,000 can cost you another $3,000 per year just to keep running properly. Now here's the cost that nobody puts in their budget. Gear. You cannot ride a Superbike without proper gear, not if you value your skin. A proper setup that will actually protect you. Helmet, jacket, gloves, boots, riding pants, from brands that are actually worth wearing, cost $1,500 to $3,000 minimum, and it is not a one-time cost. Helmets must be replaced every 5 years, regardless of whether they have been dropped. Jackets take crashes. Gloves wear through. Every year you are spending hundreds just maintaining your gear. This is not optional. This is the price of staying alive. And now, the one that destroys first-time owners more than anything else. The drop. Statistics show that most first-time Superbike owners drop their bike at least once in the first 12 months. Not at speed on a track, in a parking lot, at a red light, in their own driveway. And when a Superbike goes down, even at 0 miles per hour in a parking lot, the damage is brutal. Fairing panels cost $800 to $2,000 per side. A mirror runs $150 to $400. A brake lever is $80 to $300. One parking lot tip over with no comprehensive insurance, and you are looking at a $3,000 to $5,000 repair bill. On a bike you have owned for 6 weeks. That is the moment most first-time buyers start thinking about selling. Add it all together honestly. Purchase price, the immediate depreciation hit, insurance every month, tires twice a year, major service once a year, full gear setup, one drop, winter storage, battery tender, cover, paddock stand. In your first year of owning a Superbike, the real all-in cost is 40 to 60% higher than the sticker price. On a $15,000 bike, you are realistically spending $21,000 to $24,000 in year one. Not the price on the window, the real price. The price nobody told you. So is it worth it? Here's the honest answer. For the right rider and with the right preparation, with the real budget accounted for, a Superbike is one of the greatest experiences available on 2 wheels. Nothing else comes close. But going in blind is how people end up selling at a loss after 3 months. Know the real number. Plan for the real number. Then make your decision with your eyes open. If this video saved you from a $5,000 mistake, hit that like button. Subscribe because every week we give you the real truth about motorcycle ownership that nobody else will tell you. Drop in the comments. What was the biggest unexpected cost you hit as a new Superbike owner? See you in the next one.